National Policy on Education 1986 suggested the recognition and strengthening of technical and management education. The policy also emphasized the need for computer education as computers had become important tools of the time. So, a minimum exposure to computers and training in their use should be made a part of professional education according to NEP. Appropriate formal and non-formal programs of technical education need to be devised for the benefit of women, the economically and socially weaker section, and the physically handicapped. The necessary method should be carried out to fit a large number of teachers and professionals in vocational education. The policy suggested methods that should be taken to promote excellence and cost effectiveness of technical and management education. Priority should be given to modernization. Provide up-to-date learning resources, library and computer facility to the institution. Provide adequate hostel facility for girls. Provide facilities for sports, creative work and cultural activities. Adopt proper procedures for recruitment of staff, especially teachers. Give adequate in-service training to the teachers. Promote active interaction of technical and management institutions in program planning, exchange of personnel, training facilities, resources, etc. Award the institutions for their excellence. Establish networking systems between technical education and industry. Rural and distance organizations, programs of rural and community development. Now try this.